In this video I will show you how to upload and share files in Google Drive. Once you have opened Google Drive, let's create a folder to store the uploaded files. To do this, click on the New button and select New Folder. In the box that appears, enter a name for the new folder. Click Create. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Next, to get inside the folder, click on it twice. Now let's upload the files. Click the New button and select File Upload. In the opened file selection window, you can choose one file or several. Click on the Open button. The file upload will start. You can see the progress of uploading in the lower right corner of the website. The files have been successfully uploaded. Now to share the files inside this folder, click on the folder name at the top. Then select Share. In the Share window that appears, you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the files with. You can also customize access to the files. Share link and assign a role to those who will have the access link to the files. Thank you for watching.